How to install wall-mounted quick-slide handrail in 60 seconds. Following your local code, measure straight up from the front of your first and last step and make your mark. Find a straight line between these two marks with a laser level or by snapping a chalk line. Use a stud finder and mark the locations of your studs on this line, keeping your brackets no more than 4 feet apart. Assemble the wall mount brackets with the provided screws. Angle the brackets to the angle of the chalk line. Mount the brackets to your wall. Slide the bracket covers over top and the remaining bracket and pillar. Attach the mounting bracket by hand with a screwdriver. Using a 5/32 Allen wrench, attach the quick slide bolts and quick slide retainer nut to the bracket. Slide the handrail over the top of each bracket. Tighten and secure the bolts once your handrail is in place. Finally, use silicone to attach the end plug and close the end of the handrail. That's all it takes to install wall-mounted quick slide handrail. For more installation tips and tricks, visit viewrail.com.